Hi, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Angel Aurora. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious bread. It's not like the normal bread recipe. It's crisp on the outside and really soft on the inside. So here is my flour. I added a tablespoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. So the garlic powder is actually optional because not everybody loves garlic powder and garlic, but I love garlic in this recipe. It gives it a unique taste. Okay, so when you add that, you want to mix it all up together and add water. So there I had 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder. So yeah, adding my water. You want to make it really soft, but not too soft. Okay, there's no measurement for the water. You just have to use your eyes to gauge it. Next, I'm going in with my sunflower oil. You can use any oil you have, but yeah, I have sunflower oil and I added 1 tablespoon to it. And I'm going to mix this properly. So this is after mixing it. You can see how it is. I mixed this for about 10 minutes. You can see it's already at a point where it's giving way. So that's what you want when it's no more sticky to the corners of the bowl. That's what we are looking for. Okay, so I'm going to stir this for another 5 minutes and cover it up. So I covered it for 10-15 minutes. You can cover from as 10 to 15 minutes, and when you come, you just have to like whisk it up again to remove air from it. So yeah, I have my non-stick pan. You have to work with a non-stick pan here. So this is my non-stick pan. I just use a little bit of sunflower oil to rub all the corners. You don't want it sticky. And can you see how this dough is just falling in? Like there is nothing pushing it, it's just coming out on its own. That's what you're looking for. Yeah, so beautiful and satisfying. So now I just want to spread this all over. Yes. So after spreading it all over, the next thing you want to do is put it on fire. And we're going in with a very low heat. You can see because of the quantity, you just want it to be the heat to be very low so it could cook well. And then cover it with a pot cover. After a while, I opened it and this is what it was looking like. So I had to flip it over. You can see how beautiful it looks when it was flipped and then cover. So you're going to do this for a long time, okay? Give yourself like 15 minutes. This was ready in over an hour. The cooking time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. So yeah, after a while, I had to put holes in them with a fork. And this is our final product. I already cut out for my nephew to taste because he was waiting for this. So yeah, I added mayonnaise to it. And it was so delicious, guys. So delicious. And it is so filling. The crispiness of this is out of the world. Okay, so now I paired it with Coca-Cola and it was so yummy. Will you be trying this out? If you would, leave your comment in the comment section. And also, where are you watching from?